Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So recently I was doing a HubSpot implementation for a prospect who's using HubSpot and has a website hosted on GoDaddy. So what they basically wanted to do was, because their website is hosted on GoDaddy and built over there as well, whenever someone fills in a form, it gets stored in GoDaddy. But because they're using HubSpot as a CRM, they wanted everything to flow into HubSpot so that that's like the center of truth. So I'll quickly show you how to do that if you're using a similar setup. So to do that, you need your GoDaddy credentials, your HubSpot credentials, and Zapier. Guess the free plan would work as well because this is just like a one-step process over here, a trigger and an action. So let's dive into it. To start off with, you would need to select GoDaddy as an app over here when you create a news app, and the trigger event would be a new customer. And then you need to add your account to it using your GoDaddy credentials. Now, when you do it, what it will ask you for is a API key. And the way you can find that API key is to log into your particular GoDaddy instance, go into the website which you're trying to sync with HubSpot through Zapier. And once you do that, you need to go to customers and click on settings. So over here, if you see Zapier integration, this is the key which you'll require to sync your GoDaddy with Zapier. And you just need to, because I've already created a key, it's asking me to regenerate. But if you're new to this, it'll ask you to create a new key. And once you click on create a new key, you'll get the key, which is like a long text, and you just need to copy it. And when you come on to Zapier and while connecting your account, it'll ask you for that key. You just need to paste that. Once that's done, you would have connected your GoDaddy with Zapier. The next step over here would be to add this particular action of create a contact. So just to show you how this works, over here you would need to click on create contact, and that is it. So that's how you would be doing it. And over here, once you do that, it will ask you to map the GoDaddy fields with HubSpot. So if I go to first name, like you see, if I click on cancel and this would be like the first name, and then I would click on last name. This would be like the last name. So if you see, these are all of the values which are coming in from GoDaddy with the GoDaddy logo. So whatever values we want, we could just add them over here. So I'm looking for the last name. So I'll select last name and email. For email, there's this field called contact information, email. Yeah, this one. So over here, I'll just click this, and this is the email, and continue. And once it's done, you just need to click on publish, and that's it. So if I show this to you on HubSpot, if you see, this is the same contact which we pushed from Zapier. And if you look at the details over here, it says the source is Zapier. That means it pushed it from GoDaddy to HubSpot via Zapier. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. Hope this helps. Thank you.